Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to explore how much can you load into a Grumman Tiger when it's in cargo mode. And I think you'll be surprised at the answer, so stay tuned for some fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Okay, hey, hold the sign up there, Roscoe. Man, we beat the chairs. There we go. We are beginning the coverage of AYA 2003 at St. Simons Island, Georgia. And we're here a couple of 3 days early. A few airplanes here. Roscoe with the official welcoming sign.
And door prizes.
And the door prizes. Boy, I tell you, would you believe...
And the down beer.
Would you believe all that stuff there came out of that Tiger? And Roscoe, too.
Oh, that's not the toolboxes and the computers.
Oh, yeah, he's still... he's still loaded. He's still loaded.
Now, all of the four-place airplanes, the Traveler, the Cheetah, and the Traveler, can all be loaded into cargo mode. The seats can fold down, and you get 7 feet 3 inches of cargo space, but there's a couple of spaces that most people miss, like the footwells in the back where the passengers put their feet. When you fold down that rear seat, it covers that when you're going into cargo mode. So be sure to use those little well openings as a place to store oil or tools, anything that is small enough that it won't roll onto the spar and roll forward and interfere with the aircraft. So as you can see in these two examples, what we all had on the floor outside of the Tiger, as well as the entire cargo bay being full. So they can hold quite a bit. And in reality, you cube out before you weight out, which means you'll fill the volume you have available before you get to the gross weight of the aircraft. Now, getting our aircraft into cargo mode is not bad. You take the seat backs off of the rear seat, either the headrest or the entire seat back, depending upon whether you have a Traveler or a Tiger. And then you want to take both front seats and bring them as far forward as they will go, and that will expose the latching posts. And when it folds over, it sits right on those latching posts, gives you a good stable platform. You release the latches and the back folds down, and there you go. 7 feet 3 inches of cargo space for up to 350 pounds of cargo that you can strap down. By the way, when I used to carry a lot of door prizes, I actually went to like Walmart and I bought one of those bungee cord truck bed holders, and I just used it and strapped everything down and got it to the planes on the bottom. Now right here we're looking at the passenger wheel wells all the way down to the aluminum on the floor, and when you fold the seat down, you're covering that about 7 inches thick area, and you can put oil down there and tools and spare parts, anything that will not roll underneath the spar and cause a problem. And that rear seat's going to rest on that bracket right there, and it's going to support the weight of whatever cargo is going on the top of the bed. And you should have a placard on the back of your cargo bed telling you what the weight's going to be, the maximum weight, like 350 pounds or 220 pounds, depending upon the type of the aircraft. But it's not hard to do in cargo mode, and many people I know find it very convenient for like a bicycle. You can put a lot in the airplane, and then it's just a matter of creative stuffing. Like if you've got an airplane wingtip, you can put a lot in the wingtip, and you're only still using the volume of the wingtip, though you are adding weight. So cargo mode in our four-place airplanes gives you a lot of capability for things. I mean, we have couples with their puppy that they travel as a couple. They camp in the back of the airplane with the puppy. It's crowded but cozy, as they say. So there's a lot that can be done with our airplanes. And then you just want to make sure you follow all the good precautions, that when you do have cargo back there, you want to make sure that it's balanced for the CG of the aircraft. You're getting near max load. You also want to make sure that it's secured so that in the event of an abrupt change in attitude of the aircraft, cargo doesn't come flying forward and whack you in the head. So ladies and gentlemen, cargo mode can be a lot of fun in our airplanes. I hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.